Introducing the new and improved TRWC-RB. Innovating on the ingenuity of the original design, the TRWC-RB now has a rechargeable battery. Bettering the environment by reducing electronic waste from disposable batteries. The TRWC-RB has a 3-hour charge time via USB-C cable. It can dispense 89 gallons of water on a full charge. You can see where your battery life is with just a push of a button on the LED battery life indicator. It has a 2.2 gallon per minute flow rate. A locking lever to maintain flow without having to constantly squeeze the lever. Perfect for those with arthritis or joint pain. And a long 7-foot hose to reach high indoor plants. The new hose design is more durable and aesthetically pleasing. Avoid the back pain of lifting heavy watering cans. Keep your plants healthy without compromising your own health. You can search for this pump by typing TRWC-RB on Amazon.com.